Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the broken eyeshadow. This is highly requested video and so many people have asked me like how to fix the broken eyeshadow, especially when it has some shimmer particles. So I have taken this palette and I'm just going to break this so that I can show you how to fix this. I have broken it completely and it has so many shimmer particle in this. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to take this polythene wrapper. You can take any polythene cover, anything would be fine. So I'll just transfer this eyeshadow in this. I'll just take it out completely. I'll just close this. So just to crush this eyeshadow, I'm taking this brush, the back side, so that I can crush it properly. You can take anything. Now we have very fine powder. To fix this, you don't need rubbing alcohol or any other spray or rose water, anything like that. So all the eyeshadow and compact powder has binding property in that, so if you press it hardly, it will fix it. So I'll just transfer this to this empty container. See, I have taken this brush because this is the exact size, so it will be quite easy to press this. If you don't have something which is exact of this size, then you can take any other brush. See, this is quite smaller, but still you can press it and you can just fix it properly. You can always go with your finger and you can press it with your finger. So whatever the eyeshadow powder is, I'm going to transfer to this empty container. Oh, it fell off. See, so while transferring it just came out. So I'm going to press it normally. Still some more powder is there in this wrapper, but first I'll press this powder and then I'll pour some more. So I'm going to take this brush to press this firmly. Press, press and press. Don't worry if it is not neat. We are going to fix this properly. So I'm going to pour some more. So yes, I'll press this as well. So meanwhile we'll be just cleaning the sides and we'll take all the powder inside and we'll press it again. So now once we are done with this pressing, we'll just take a tissue paper. You can take any tissue paper, you can take any soft tissue paper. It will be better to use some soft tissue paper, but this is quite harsh, so I'm going to make it soft like this. Now it's somewhat soft. Make sure you don't use any wet tissue paper. You have to use only dry tissue paper. So we'll just fix it like this and we'll take the brush and we'll press it again. We'll be pressing it nicely. If you don't have brush, you can use your finger to press like this, or if you have small size brush like this, you can use that as well. Press it with soft tapping motion. So I have pressed this properly and I'll just take out this tissue paper. You can see the eyeshadow is already fixed now. You can use it. You can see the eyeshadow is properly fixed and you can use it. And as I have told you, if you don't have any brush or anything just to press this, you can always use your finger. So I'm using my thumb to press this properly. You can always use your finger or thumb to press this and you're good to go, because you have more control on your finger or thumb than any other object. Ta-da-da! You can see it's fixed so nicely. You cannot even make out like it was broken. Now I'm just cleaning all the edges. You can take any tissue paper or anything, however you want to clean. So I'm just cleaning all the edges and you can see how nicely my eyeshadow is fixed. You cannot make out that it was broken. See, it's again shiny, colorful and very smooth. And yes, in case if you're worrying about what if it falls, so I'll just show you one demo. I'm tapping it like this. I'm doing like this. See, I've tapped this properly and I'll just open and show you. Still it's same, it didn't break. So don't worry if it fall or you're tapping it, it'll remain same. See, even though if you're tapping like this, if it is falling like this, it'll not come out. So this is a light demo, come on. So you can try this out with your eyeshadow palette, whether it is a matte or shimmery, everything will work out. So that's it guys, that was my review about how to fix the shimmery eyeshadow palette. I've already made a separate video regarding how to fix the compact powder. I'll just link it down below in the description box in case you want to check out. And yes, if you like this video, please click on the like button and do subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.